how the fuck he do it, he a motherfucking beast. Wanna be like Sturdy, man, this life ain't cheap. Quick little flip, back at the dealership again. We ain't buying nothing today. Selling two, that gray one right there, y'all ain't never seen them before. What I do outside of showing y'all the car, like that's silly y'all business unless I bring you in, so now I'm bringing you in. Selling that one, and selling this one. I had a car running business, still renting cars, but I'm gonna flip these two because make a good little chunk of money off of them right now. Then go get something else. Shit, check them out. Yeah, I got a Scat, wide body. I don't even drive no more, man. And honestly, I just drove it up here and I ain't like driving. For real, for real. Weak. That gas reaction ain't the same. Shout out to the folks that got the Scats. I ain't know what I'm talking about, but yeah, you definitely need to box your life up and get your head okay. You got to. That ain't work different. So niggas got killed about this car. That's the crazy part.
You said what now?
Folks got killed, not by me. I ain't had nothing to deal with it. Folks got killed about this car.
Y'all heard it.
Play stupid games, get stupid pride.
Shit, I'm about to say that great one tonight. Yep. They can't look at it shit, well, as long as they get approved for it.
Okay, I'm about to say I'm gonna have to bring out. Did they bring out the other key for it?
Yeah, I got one. You got two for them? You got two for them? Yeah, I think that's what I'm about to start doing, man. I need to do that, get the car before August, man. That market goes. I know I ain't buying that.
I can order a red eye. I can order a jailbreak.
Let me check. Let me check that for you right
If
now.
I don't get it, that means I'll be able to have the option when it comes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you know it's gonna take some time, but shit, you ain't selling head start.
627. 37 for the regular, 54 for the wide body, signature. But everybody going 5 right now.
I want to do 2 works.
What you doing, the Charger?
If I can do the jailbreak, yeah, and TRX. Even if I don't buy them shit, y'all gotta figure them to see. But at TRX, y'all not gonna figure that out. I'll probably
I know I looked at that on Saturday.
I'll probably.
Oh yeah, it's right there. So I'll be in the driver's seat, man. Give me a couple minutes, I'm gonna come get you.
Yeah, we about to build something else. We about to build something else. Oh, excuse me. Let's get to work. Should I go all black or smoke gray?
Well, you got flavors to choose from now, man. Oh, you gonna get it wrapped?
Oh yeah, you know I'm a little crazy with it. All black or the smoke show.
I mean, you might as well get it black if you're gonna get it wrapped.
Cause I want my door jam black. Black, no stripes. Simply I can get that myself. I can get the hood done myself. I ain't finna, no offense, guys. I ain't paying you $1,000 for that. I can get it done for $300. And rims, man. I low key, I really do like them brass monkey leathers better, man. But since we going black. Brakes red. I get them painted on badging. Yeah, I'm gonna order red badges just because I already got a black spoiler on the back. Interior. Oh, you know we're going gray. I've been wanting that.
Oh, that's hard. I ain't even know they had that
You
up.
know we're going gray. We ain't gonna do the red. I want the gray. Match my ashes a little bit. I need the nav. And see, I'm almost skeptical on not getting this because they don't got no sub in it. What's up with that?
What's that?
The 19 speakers for the Charger ain't got no sub in it.
Right. Yeah, I couldn't tell you what's up.
That's disrespectful. And they still gonna charge $200. Boy, they crazy. They're gonna build your car and get it. But you know it takes some time for the car to get here, one. So they give you some time to believe in yourself and believe you can make something happen. If that's what you want to do. I ain't telling you to go in debt for no reason. I can see this.
See, this is the thing. I don't understand why people not doing this shit anyway, bro. I mean, because you ain't gonna do them, but give yourself time to get the money together, get your credit together. You know, what are we doing? And that's the TRX right there. You get your the DMV stuff ready now.
Okay.
So that truce will be paid off before the BOA, because of course the corporate office is here. So that check will be there probably tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, actually, Wednesday, because accounting is off on Mondays, so it'll be there Wednesday.
What is the ignition edition? Tell these folks, cause I don't even know.
It's that orange. They got it that super duper orange. Or should I do sandblast since I was the first one with it anyway?
So they gonna go ahead and copy. You might as well. Right?
Nah, I ain't getting no damn sandblast until they put some respect on my name. I'm still gonna drive a car, but y'all need to put some respect on it. I'm gonna go all black this time.
Yeah, them all black would be looking good coming down the road, bro.
Need level 2. My trailer tow. They said I have my check tomorrow for that sprinter van. Ain't get no graphics. I get them on my own. Them tow mirrors, wheels. I don't want that tire. I want the tire mount in the
So
back.
it seems like you done this before, man. You done did this before, man.
Yeah, plenty of time. I've been doing this since about 2004. Boy, before 10 years before I could even drive a car. Together, man. Y'all don't mind me.
What's up?
Man, YouTube. What's the name of your YouTube page?
Big Sturdy.
Big Sturdy.
Yeah, the t-shirt say right there.
Bro got he got all the horsepower. He got all them Scatpack, TRS, man, he got them all. Yeah, killing the game over there.
The lag. We need the 19 speeder. I need that panoramic. We need that. We need the red. We need the red inserts on the seats. I need that. Trailer reverse steering control. Y'all see what's going on. Damn. Well, see, the only difference is the car really done went up by like $9,000 from the base price since I got it. So I got everything on here except for one thing on my truck that I already have, and that's just the cover on the back, like one of those truck bed covers. Yeah. The only thing that I ain't got that I just put on here. This truck $100,000. My sticker price was $89 and some change when I got mine.
Damn, so whole
Man, he said ain't they about to go up again. So let's go ahead and just get this over with before they go up again. No, y'all true. 700, 800, 1500, 2, 4. That's 1900. Sprinter van was another 900. It's 28. Insurance 200. They're putting in. I just got rid of $3,000 monthly cost a month.
man made money.
And made money. And been making money.
Hot damn.
Shout out to God. Shout out to God himself. Everybody asks me how you do this, that, the third. What? God put this together, man. I ain't got no answers for you. God did it.
As soon as Chris come get you, man, we good to go. And I finally got that form back from my boy.
Yeah, everything good.
Yes, sir.
I'm the
only
owner.
You'd be surprised.
Nah, I don't
They
think
going
they're
going crazy.
Come put that sauce on you.
Yeah, you got your guard all let down, and then boom.
I mean, it's only gonna hurt them, but the deal ain't gonna go through.
This here is an endowment statement disclosing the amounts, and I'll have you sign up over there. And then I'll have you sign up for me right there. It's a power of attorney for the endowment. And then that's the bill of sale showing we owe you that amount back.
2 orders.
I'm glad they let me order that jailbreak.
Oh, they let you order?
Yeah. people don't even be knowing about that. They think, nah, you supposed to get that gap insurance back if you pay for extra warranties or any kind of service contract and you ain't use none of it. Any of that, yeah, get it back. Get it up. Need all that. I'll make sure I get it on all my cars. So I always got a refund coming when I get rid of one of them. Always.
Up through your receipts. Appreciate it, boss. Appreciate it too. Ain't no worries, man.
Until next time.
All right, we'll see you.
All
Y'all
right,
fellas
come on.
take it easy.
Appreciate you, man.
No worries.
Hit McLaren, and I got the GT. This the big one, yeah, the big boy 63. Dash say 220, it's an AMG. And I pulled off the lot with it just last week.